As hurricane seasons become more intense, Clearwater homeowners are looking for better ways to protect their homes. One of the most effective upgrades is installing hurricane-resistant windows, designed to withstand the powerful storms that frequently hit Florida. In 2025, more homeowners than ever are making the switch to hurricane windows for enhanced safety, energy efficiency, and home value. Here's why upgrading to hurricane windows in 2025 is a smart investment. Increased storm protection. Clearwater's location makes it vulnerable to strong winds, heavy rain, and flying debris during hurricane season. Standard windows are prone to breaking, leaving homes exposed to severe damage. Hurricane windows provide superior protection because they are made of impact-resistant glass that can withstand hurricane-force winds. Reinforced with polyvinyl butyryl (PVB) layers, preventing glass from shattering. Designed to stay intact, even if the outer layer cracks, keeping wind and debris from entering the home. By installing hurricane windows, Clearwater homeowners can minimize storm damage and keep their families safe. Lower home insurance premium. Many insurance providers in Florida offer discounts to homeowners who take measures to reinforce their homes against hurricanes. Upgrading to hurricane windows can help reduce insurance costs because they meet strict impact resistance standards, lowering the risk of claims. They reduce the likelihood of interior damage, leading to lower payouts for insurers. Some insurance companies provide significant discounts for homes with hurricane-resistant upgrades. Homeowners in Clearwater who install impact-resistant windows in 2025 can benefit from long-term insurance savings. Improved energy efficiency and cost savings. Beyond storm protection, hurricane windows help lower energy bills. Their insulated, multi-layer design reduces heat transfer, keeping Clearwater homes cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Key energy-saving features include low E-glass coatings, reflecting heat away while allowing natural light inside. Argon or krypton gas fills, improving insulation between glass panes. Tightly sealed frames, reducing drafts and air leakage. With Florida's hot climate, homeowners upgrading to hurricane windows in 2025 will enjoy significant savings on cooling costs. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Hurricane windows don't just protect against storms, they also help reduce outside noise. For homeowners living near busy roads, airports, or crowded areas, these windows offer thicker glass layers that absorb sound waves, tighter seals that block outside noise, a more peaceful indoor environment for better sleep and comfort. With the increased urban development in Clearwater, upgrading to hurricane windows in 2025 means a quieter, more serene home. Enhanced home security. Hurricane windows double as security windows, making it harder for burglars to break into homes. Features that boost security include shatter-resistant glass, preventing easy access even if struck. Reinforced frames, making windows harder to pry open. Multi-locking systems, adding another layer of protection. With break-ins on the rise, Clearwater homeowners are turning to hurricane windows as a smart security upgrade. Boost in property value. Homes equipped with hurricane windows are more attractive to potential buyers. A high-value upgrade, they increase curb appeal with sleek, modern designs. Make homes more marketable, as buyers prioritize safety features. Offer long-term cost savings, which appeal to future homeowners. In 2025, homeowners planning to sell or refinance their properties will benefit from higher resale values with hurricane-resistant windows installed. Reduced need for storm shutters. Traditionally, homeowners relied on hurricane shutters to protect their windows during storms. While effective, shutters can be bulky and unattractive, impacting home aesthetics. Time-consuming to install, requiring last-minute preparation. Less convenient, as they need to be manually deployed before a storm. Hurricane windows provide 24/7 protection, eliminating the need for shutters and making storm preparation much easier. Government incentives and rebates. In 2025, Florida continues to offer state and federal incentives for homeowners making hurricane-resistant upgrades. Many homeowners can benefit from tax credits for installing energy-efficient hurricane windows, state-funded grants for storm-resistant home improvements, utility rebates, encouraging energy-saving home upgrades. By taking advantage of government programs, Clearwater homeowners can offset installation costs and make hurricane windows a more affordable investment. Final thoughts. A smart investment for 2025 and beyond. For Clearwater homeowners, upgrading to hurricane windows in 2025 is more than just a safety measure. It's a long-term investment in home protection, energy savings, and property value. With stronger storm resistance, security enhancements, and improved insulation, these windows provide peace of mind year-round. If you're ready to upgrade, consult with a trusted hurricane window installer in Clearwater to explore options and take advantage of rebates, insurance discounts, and energy savings. Don't wait until the next hurricane season. Invest in hurricane windows today and protect your home for years to come.